In the whisper of the dawn, where the cherry blossoms sway, Mount Fuji stands so grand, watching night turn into day. Reflections on the water, like memories retraced, every petal falling softly in this sacred place. Oh, how time dances slow in a world painted bright with the colors of our dreams beneath the moonlight. From the mountains to the rivers, let our spirits flow free in this moment of beauty. It's just you and me. Underneath the cherry trees, where secrets intertwine, we share our hidden wishes like sweet sake-in wine. A breeze carries laughter through the petals in flight. With every whispered promise, we ignite the night. So hold me close, my darling, let the stars be our guide in this timeless embrace, where our hearts collide through the seasons of change. Our love will remain like the blossoms in springtime. We'll rise again. Oh, how time dances slow in a world painted bright with the colors of our dreams beneath the moonlight. From the mountains to the rivers, let our spirits flow free in this moment of beauty. It's just you and me. As the sun kisses the mountains, turning gold to the sky, we laugh like little children where the moments float by. With each heartbeat sinking, the universe aligns. In the petals, in the waters, your love forever shines. Oh, how time dances slow in a world painted bright with the colors of our dreams beneath the moonlight. From the mountains to the rivers, let our spirits flow free in this moment of beauty. It's just you and me. And when the flowers fall and the seasons must change, I'll cherish every memory, never feel estranged. For in the heart of nature, love's story will unfold, as enduring as the mountains, as timeless as the gold. Fields where colors bloom, whispers of the petals loom. Furano sings a gentle tune beneath the bright and shining moon. Dancing shadows in the light, a symphony of day and night. Every hue a heartfelt song. In this paradise we belong. Oh, let the flowers guide your way in the warmth Whispers linger, dreams ignite, moments woven in the night. Every color tells a story. Inferno, we find our glory. So take my hand, let's lose our fears. With every flower, wipe your tears. In this wonder, let us stay. Inferno, forever come what may. In the heart of Kamikochi, where the rivers flow, whispers of the mountains call beneath the sun's warm glow. Footsteps on the bridge where the memories reside. Nature's gentle aura in the sacred place we bide. Oh, Kamikochi, where the skies kiss the peaks. With every breath of fresh air, it's the solace that we seek. Mountains standing guard, watching over our dreams. In this tranquil haven, nothing's ever as it seems. The emerald leaves dance along the breeze. Their laughter resonates, a symphony with ease. Reflection on the water like a canvas of our fate. In every ripple whispered, the stories we create. Oh, Kamikochi, where the skies kiss the peaks. With every breath of fresh air, it's the solace that we seek. Mountains standing guard, watching over our dreams. In this tranquil haven, nothing's ever as it seems. Lost in the twilight as the stars start to bloom, underneath the blanket of night we find our room. Each star promise lighting up the dark. Every night in Kamikochi ignites a sacred spark. With the dawn approaching, the world awakens slow. The mountains bathe in sunlight, setting hearts aglow. Every trail we wander tells a tale untold. In the arms of nature we find love's true gold. Oh, Kamikochi, where the skies kiss the peaks. With every breath of fresh air, it's the solace that we seek. Mountains standing guard, watching over our dreams. In this tranquil haven, nothing's ever as it seems. The whispering winds encourage us to stay, embracing the moment as we drift through the day. The echoes of the river play a tender song in the rhythm of our hearts, where we truly belong. Oh, Kamikochi, where the skies kiss the peaks. With every breath of fresh air, it's the solace that we seek. Mountains standing guard, watching over our dreams. In this tranquil haven, nothing's ever as it seems. Underneath the cherry blossoms where secrets bloom and thrive, we share our hopes and wishes, keeping memories alive. With every sunset painting a masterpiece so rare, Kamikochi holds our essence in the cool mountain air. The wildlife carefully watches from shadows that they keep. In the circle of existence, nature's promise runs deep. From the glistening rivers to the snow-capped trails, together we uncover the magic that prevails. Oh, Kamikochi, where the skies kiss the peaks. With every breath of fresh air, it's the solace that we seek. Mountains standing guard, watching over our dreams. In as the seasons keep changing, forever will remain in the heart of Kamikochi, where love conquers pain. So let us write our story with pages filled with light. In this paradise we cherish, everything feels so